A warm welcome to this session on estimate cost of a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic installation and prepare a quotation. At the end of this session, you will be able to select components and prices in market for a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic after sizing and prepare an estimate, approximate cost of the project. Tools and equipments required. Bill of materials including electrical, electronic equipment and materials, mechanical fittings and accessories, civil equipment and materials, etc. and their cost. Cost of tools and consumables including rentals of installation equipment and logistics. Cost of mounting structures. Market trend on labor cost. Prepare a complete financial projection for a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic off-grid plant. Analyze all the possibilities of financial commitments. Prepare separate heads of expenditure for own and outsourced avenues. Prepare complete project report. Submit to experts and get evaluated the project. Record all through activities in observation. Project report of 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic off-grid plant. Feasibility details of the project for 1 kilowatt power solar system as follows. Connected load 1 kilowatt. Energy consumption per month 1200 kilowatt. Tariff charged by Discom ₹6 per unit. Solar capacity suggested 1 kilowatt. Subsidy eligibility yes or no. USC number. Technical feasibility. System proposed and simple playback period. 1 kilowatt power solar off-grid system generates 20 to 25 units kilowatt hour per day. Average yearly generation. Expected generation per month 360 kilowatt hour to 400 kilowatt hour. Amount of savings on a monthly basis at 4 rupees 1500. Minimum units generated per day during cloudy days at 2.5 units per kilowatt, 5 units. Maxi units generated per day during sunny perfect day at 6 units per kilowatt, 15 kilowatt hour. Average units generated per day during average sunny day at 4.5 per kilowatt, 10 kilowatt hour. Load details can support a total nominal load of 1 kilowatt. Number of hours solar system generates power for 6 hours. Location and installation. Space availability for 1 kilowatt power system. 110 square meters of shadow-free area. Model of operation. Solar, off-grid. Mounting structure. Hot, dip galvanized steel. Prepare a complete financial projection for a 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic off-grid plant. Quotation for design, supply, installation and commissioning of solar photovoltaic power plant of capacity of 1 kilowatt power with following specifications. Solar panel 250 watt power, 4 numbers. Cost per unit rupees 8630. Total rupees 34,520. Solar inverter 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 9,650. Total rupees 9,650. Solar battery 12 volts 100 ampere hour. 4 numbers. Cost per unit rupees 7,800. Total rupees 31,200. DC ground fault interrupter. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 300. Total rupees 300. DC isolator. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 300. Total rupees 300. Charge controller. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 1200. Total rupees 1200. Mains AC isolator. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 400. Total rupees 400. Distribution panel. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 200. Total rupees 200. Interconnecting cables with connectors as required. Cost per unit rupees 1500. Total rupees 1500. Civil work for installation of solar photovoltaic units as required. Cost per unit rupees 15,000. Total rupees 15,000. Electrical wiring external as required. Cost per unit rupees 3,000. Total rupees 3,000. DC distribution units. 1 number. Cost per unit rupees 450. Total rupees 450. Spares and tools as required. Cost per unit rupees 2,000. Total rupees 2,000. Miscellaneous. Electrical pipes, lugs, insulation tapes and clamps as required. Cost per unit rupees 1,600. Total rupees 1,600. Mechanical fittings, nuts and bolts, clamps, solar photovoltaic fixing frames as required. Cost per unit rupees 6,050. Total rupees 6,050. Mounting, erection and insulation inclusive. Maintenance inclusive. User training inclusive. Grand total 1,07,370 rupees. GST amount at 12.5%. Rupees 13,083.75. Subsidiary amount at 8.5%. Rupees 8,896.95. 1,04,670 plus 13,083.75 is equal to rupees 1,17,753.75. Subsidiary amount deduction 1,17,753.75 minus 8,896.95. Total amount paid by the customer rupees 1,08,856.8. Note: all components are IEC certified and MNRE certified products. Recap. In this session, we have learnt how to select components and prices in market for 1 kilowatt solar photovoltaic after sizing and prepare an estimate. Approximate cost of the project. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.